Reiki and Sound. Reiki and Sound. Reiki has proved to be very effective with sound because it helps Reiki become more useful. Sound is used by Reiki to flow through the client strongly, and there is instant and deeper penetration. People feel better healed and have more capability to receive the energy. So the combination of Reiki and sound is a new mechanism under which sound is used as a medium as well. The symbols. It should be used along with the symbols to maintain the sacred effect. The most important is the power symbol, which is the root to all healing and must be used to begin any healing or treatment. One should also mention its name while giving the treatment or healing. Treatment. There is no requirement that the healing process should be very complicated and is very useful for all those looking for treatment. The healer is able to go deeper into meditation with sound as well. If the patient is ready to go into meditation, focus your attention on the patient. Begin with the head and proceed downwards. You must allow the symbols to work for them. If you are doing it with Karuna Reiki, for example, you need to chant the mantras as well. The combination of mantra and sound make for a perfect combination. You need to relax and rest as well to treat your patients properly. A good sleep or meditation is God for the patient or the client for him or her to keep up and fit.